right, he's got it. We're good over here. You're good, Cap. Maybe go a little. We got. You need to go the other way. All right, you're clear. Well, maybe not. How's it going? Going? Tell me when you're ready. We're losing you, Cap. No? Okay, I got a stern line.
Okay, come on, loose my line for me.
Loose the bow, loose the bow, loose the bow.
You're free. You got it over here?
Hold on. Get it out. Right here with me. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Oh.
Get down the line. Oh, they got it.
We did it. We freaking did it. I said we freaking did it. Yeah, they got it. They're gonna catch us on that bow.
You got that video on there?
Yep. Got the whole thing. We're in. Do you want to ask them to drop the dinghy?
Yeah, I don't know. We have to do a little bit of
Okay.
now. I don't know what to do next.
Okay.
There'll probably be a splashback.
Okay. Oh, babe, they've got. Hey, they've got a mount. Do you see that dinghy? What?
You got him on Instagram?
Yes.
We're getting ready to go up in the air.
Take turns.
All right, here we go. Hey, River, or babe, do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
No, be still and stationary. What? And then you take what River has.
Good morning, everyone. We are here in the BVIs, and we wanted to bring to you what we've been up to. We have lost our sail drives due to electrolysis from a previous experience we had, so we had to haul out immediately. As I was cleaning the bottom of the boat, I noticed there was a little bit of oil coming out of the sail drive, actually on the starboard side, but come to find out the port side had just as much damage. So we had electrical current at a previous marina we were in that caused the damage. On the video, when you look at it, you'll see the actual chew marks that were in the sail drives and how extensive the damage was. Anyway, I just wanted to bring to you where we are and what we're up to. And yesterday we did get the new one installed. This morning we're going to be getting this one installed. We were able to put anti-foul on this one. We were very, very lucky and fortunate because sourcing the sail drive leg is very, very hard, that we needed for the port side, and then we needed a whole unit for the starboard side. So I just wanted to bring to you where we're at, what we're doing, the work we've been doing on the boat, the progression. And as we had it out the water the other day, we noticed we had a little bit of intrusion of water on the rudder here, so we went ahead and fixed that, and we will be splashing back here soon, and we can't wait to show you what the day holds. Have a great day, guys.
Oh, that's pretty bad. Look at all that. It's just falling apart. It's actually worse than I thought. Look at the pits.
Woohoo! Yeah, baby.
All right, sail drives are out. Woohoo! New one coming soon.
All right, it's the day we have been waiting for. Our new Yanmars are in. Our sail drives.
Ooh.
Woo! Those are sexy, Cap. Look how shiny that is.
Clean that is down there.
Shiny and sexy. We are adding oil. Is there anything that makes you more excited than brand new boat parts?
Yeah. Oh.
That's a silly question. Cap.
Yep.
Wrong.
Just a little.
Ah, come on, Cap.
Yeah, there's enough for expansion. It goes right there. So you got from here to here for expansion.
Okay. All right. Take this down there and show these beautiful people in here how good that looks. How nice and shiny. Woo!
Whoa.
Shiny. That's all brand new. Look at that. Ooh, shiny.
Brand new.
Hallelujah. 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 All right.
All right, well, we got the SD60s, the whole lower unit installed yesterday. We just filled it with oil, and we will be splashing back our Yanmar SD60s. We absolutely love our Yanmar engines, so we are a huge fan of keeping them around because of the quality they give us. So we love you guys. Hey, beautiful people, here we are. We are sanding the boat today. We are doing the much anticipated anti-fouling on the bottom of our boat. So we have been waiting for it to get out on the hard here, and now we are sanding it and prepping it. I got the boys here helping me. They're so capable. Denim's on the other side. Denim! There's Denim over here. There he is. Denim, say hey. Yeah, then we got Mama over here. Mama's over here analyzing the other side of the boat, the outside of it. And we're going to continue to do this.
Oh my god, look how hairy it is! Alright, you guys, we're gonna go sand. Let's do this.
Here we go.
coming to you live from Tortola. Tell me what your thoughts are. What are your thoughts on child labor?
Shut up.
Yeah, this is lucky. So we are here having our work done, and we are in Tortola. So he's done both sides of the boat, fiberglass work. This is a fiberglass guy.
That's right.
And he is amazing. He's on his second part of our boat. He's
right.
Fixing a leak here.
Right here, do big repairs.
Yeah.
A hole or here, so I fill it up and glass it up with some epoxy.
Yes. So on the other side, I want to show you the work he did over here. You can't even tell. It's like brand new. So this had a hole in it. He fixed that, fiberglass that. And in the editing, I will leave his numbers for contact.
Epoxy.
Yep.
Dry out. So I'm gonna skip it now. With some liquid and some fuzzy.
Thanks.
That's a temperature pat full up. No take no more water.
Well, yes. No more water.
Well, then tomorrow do a better fix.
Okay.
Yeah,
Get
because
it
I feel the rain come and wet it. I don't want the rain.
Although it was an unfortunate setback for us to have to be hauled out for this, we have to give a huge shout out to Nanny K Marina and Boatyard for their amazing hospitality. While we were here, we were able to work on the boat ourselves, stay on the boat, which is really just unheard of, but also the kids had such a fun time. They have a ninja course, a swing set, tons of room to explore. They've got beachfront and also a pool. So again, huge shout out to Nanny K Marina for their hospitality. It's been absolutely incredible.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
Well, if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. Please stay tuned for next week as we splash the boat back in the water and continue on with all of our adventures.